Are you a nursing mom, an undergraduate, or a secondary school student who have access to internet connection at least every day? Then this video is for you if you want to make side income regularly, at least 1,000 naira daily, depending on your consistency. Then this video is for you. My name is Basu Ejupa John. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel, the Entertainment Media, I talk about education and a mix of entertainment. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly click the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting more updates anytime I post a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Now in this video today, I'll be showing you a website where you can perform simple tasks, withdraw it, and make a living, at least 1,000 naira daily. If it is too small for you, you can make it your recharge card money. That means bye bye to no recharge card money in 2022. So guys, watch this video to the end. I'll be using a screen recording, and the name of the website is known as Nairaworker.com. Nairaworker.com. So I'll be using a screen recording. Okay guys, now for the purpose of this lesson today, I'll be using Opera Mini. You can use any browser of your choice. You can use Google Chrome, you can use Firefox, you can use a lot of them, but I'll be using Opera Mini. I love Opera Mini because of the easy interface that it offers to its user. So I will search Nairaworker, Nairaworker, and we are searching it like so that it can be very easy for us to have it, because there are some websites that are there also, and when you try to search it complete, you might not get the result you want. So you just search Nairaworker on your browser that you are using, and you click on the first one, Nairaworker.com. You allow it to open. Click on the first one, Nairaworker.com. You allow it to open. Yeah, this is the interface. This is Nairaworker.com, and it says Nairaworker is a freelancing, outsourcing, and crowd sourcing platform. We connect clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria. So there are a lot of works you can do in this Nairaworker.com. You can post a job as a business owner. You can freelance as a freelancer. You can write from anywhere you want, and there are a lot of things to do on Nairaworker, and at the end of it you will earn. So for the purpose of this lesson, we will click on the start now. I'll be taking you from the registration process down to what you need to start earning in Nairaworker.com. At least I can assure you of getting at least 500 naira daily, depending on your consistency. So I want to register on Nairaworker.com now, and I want to put my first name, which is necessary. I will use Abizon. For instance, I will use my last name. I will use Mbe or Abizon. Yeah, any name of your choice. My username, I can say, let me use Samuel as my username. Select your gender as a male. Your email, you put in your email address, and I select my email address, abizonbe@gmail.com, which will appear. And your referral is optional to put your referral. So I'll be dropping the link on the description button, on the description below. So you have to click on the description, and you will see the link that will take you directly to the website. So without you even stressing yourself, I've made it very, very easy for you. So my website, I can decide to use any website of my choice. Let me say I use this particular website. That's my password. Yeah, that's my password. And it says creating multiple accounts is highly prohibited. One account per person. That means they don't allow cheating. You can't come here and cheat them or impersonate, or you form plenty account to refer yourself in order to make quick money. So yeah, they believe on your sincerity. So after you are through with the filling of the form, that is from your first name, your last name, your gender, your email, your password, you click on the sign up. Okay, they said error. The username has already been taken. That means I have to come back again and check out my username. I can say okay, Uno UNO 112. Okay, let me use simple one so I can remember. Mr. UNO. Mr. UNO. I have to still come back again in the password and still fill out my password like I just did before. The problem I had there was I used a username that has already existed. That means a lot of people. That's to tell you that a lot of people are on the site because it's very legit as of now. So I sign up again and I like to load to see what it offers. What is happening? They say the username may only contain letters, numbers, and dashes. I don't understand. I'm having issue here in my username. Okay, I will not give it space again. I will use Morono and still come back again for password. So guys, to avoid the stress I'm going through now, we have to just look for a unique username for yourself. A unique username for yourself, because it's giving me a lot of problem to come back again and fill up and fill up. So I'm through. Sign up. I pray this one works. I pray it works. I pray it works. I pray it works. Yeah, it did. So now an activation code has been sent to your email. So I have to activate my email first before going further. I'm yet to receive an email. Okay, I've received a mail now, and this is it. Activate Nairaworker account. Verify email to activate account. It is okay. They have given me my verification mail. I come back here now and I put the email that I saw there, 2161. I activate account. I press on the activate account and allow to load again. Activation successfully. I have successfully activated my account. So I have to go to the dashboard. Enter the dashboard. Welcome Morono. With this now I'm very happy. You see that the steps are not plenty, apart from the fact that my username was giving me a lot of problem. You can see that the steps are very easy, and from the dashboard here, if you click on this three arrow stuff, you see your dashboard, your profile, the available jobs, the wallets, account, post job, and a lot of them. Click on the dashboard. Okay, this is a dashboard. I say if you want to hire workers, you need like 500 likes, 300 followers, 250 sign up, and a lot of them. You can come here and hire many random workers of your choice. And if you are here to earn, you can click on perform simple stroke small tasks. So it depends on the one you want, the purpose of you coming to this Nairaworker. And as you can see on my dashboard, I'm here to complete any task. So if I want to earn, if I want to start making money, I can click on perform simple and small tasks to see what is there for me. You can see whether there's small tasks. No, available jobs. So I will check on the highest available job, and this is Telegram channel. They pay 7.20 for to do the job for them. Coin out $20 sign up bonus. They pay 40 naira. PKVS app is 100 naira. WhatsApp TV is 7 point. Okay, now let me see. Let me say now, for example, let me go up and click on this highest paying job. You can see here highest paying job. If you want to see jobs that pay very high, you can click on the highest paying job and you check. You see fair money app download with free 1,500 naira credited to your account for task completion. You have 590. You may have, they pay you 599 naira. So imagine completing at least 2 of these tasks, you have gotten at least 1,000 naira at your comfort. So with this, guys, you can see that it is very easy to make money in Nigeria using nairaworker.com as your website to make money. For now, there has been no scam review of the app, of the website. Sorry, it is still legit. So guys, try it out. I will drop the link to the website in the description button. So you have to click on the description. It will take you directly to the website. Send it out and drop in your comments in the comment section. Thank you.